Well, as Chris said, a chance for heavy rainfall is bad news for some outdoor businesses and cities. Des Moines city officials say they'll be closely monitoring streams tonight into tomorrow. In the event of flash flooding, the Public Works Department has extra crews ready to respond. Local 5's Alex Fulton is live near the Des Moines River with more about the impacts on central Iowa. Alex?
Well, Larissa, a lot of eyes will be on the Des Moines River here in the next 24 hours. If it ends up cresting, city officials could close down roads, and it might mean yet another day closed for a business in Boone.
I mean, we just really haven't had a season yet.
Joel Bryan says his business is at the mercy of Mother Nature.
You know, if you just, play it by the book and hope for the best as far as Mother Nature giving us too much rain or not enough rain.
Since opening in mid-June, Seven Oaks has shut down its canoeing, kayaking, and tubing services on most days. That's because of heavy rainfall in the Fort Dodge area, raising the levels of the Des Moines River where the activities are held.
We're getting very close, again, to being at a height where we feel comfortable putting the public out again. But as we all know, they're talking some big rains in the forecast again.
Every morning, Brian checks out a river gauge in Stratford. The water levels have to be at or below 10.3 feet for him to welcome guests.
We hire a lot of high school, college kids to help us out in the summertime. And so if we're not on the river, we don't really have a lot of hours. And so that's probably, for me, what hurts the most.
The city of Des Moines starts preparing for flood season as soon as snow season ends.
We've had several flood events here in Des Moines, so we kind of know what equipment and materials to have on hand, and we have that.
Fast and heavy rainfall could cause the city officials to shut down certain streets.
Yeah, there's some traditional low-lying roads that flood first, around close to the river, obviously, and then historically over by Broadlawns Hospital.
For now, Brian with Seven Oaks will just have to wait and see how the rest of the summer season shakes up.
We're just hopeful that the water continues to go down and we get on the water and we have, a good 6 weeks left of the season.
Now, if you do see water over the roadways, don't drive through it and make sure to call Des Moines Public Works to let them know. You can head to the City of Des Moines website for the latest information on road closures. Live in downtown Des Moines, Alex Fulton, Local 5 News.